Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. I've got a little free gift for absolutely anybody that wants it, that has a printer. And this will be available over on my Ko-fi. The link will be in the description box below. Make sure you're following my Ko-fi. You can follow it like you follow somebody on Facebook or whatever. And then when I'm uploading freebies throughout 2026, you will get notification of it. So this is a printable calendar. You've got every month of the year, and every month depicts the collection that I did this year for the corresponding month. So January was Majestic Peacock, etc, etc. I've kept it really simple so that it's not thirsty on your ink. Okay, it's available in A4 and letter size, JPEG and PDF. Totally free, okay? You may leave a donation if desired, but it's not required. So if it asks you for money and you don't want to leave a donation, just type in 0.00, okay? You don't need to pay for it. February was A Lady's Diary. March was Recipe Keeper. So these are all collections that I gave my Ko-fi members throughout 2025. The main ones, the Joy collections. They've got loads of other stuff as well. Okay, and if you join today, you'll get all of these collections today because I don't limit it. Basically when you join, you get access to everything apart from the purchase items. And those are 25% off. So that was the Recipe Keeper. Spring Country Gingham in April. May was the A Creative Life, which was one of my favourites. June, French Chic, another favourite. Little Ones, July, I made a folio out of this. I didn't make a journal because it was holiday season and I was busy. August, we had Soft Autumn. September, we had Gentleman's Diary. October, we had Ocean Spray. November, we had Winter Whispers. And then just recently this month, in December, we've got Emerald Isle. They are Monday to Sunday. That's how all the calendars in my house works. That's how I've done it. So please don't ask me to redo it Sunday to Monday. We're having it this way. Okay. Now, you can either print them out full size like this, or you can print them out to a page. So they're a little bit smaller for a little I can't speak. A little desktop size calendar. This, you might pin on your wall or whatever. But literally all you need to do is cut them out. You can just glue them together very lightly at the top like pages. You could put punch holes and tie them with string. You could put rings in them. There's a whole heap of things that you can do. There's loads of tutorials on YouTube of how to make desktop calendars, okay? And as for these, I will probably just pin them together. I might even just be lazy and staple them. No, I'll probably punch holes and then just tie string through and then just either remove them every month or flip them over, whatever. It's just a little freebie to say thank you for all of the support that I've received throughout 2025. I am super, super grateful. I'm going to cough. Do apologise, I've been so sick over Christmas. It's just ridiculously unfair. I'm going to put a complaint in. But I'm coming round and back to my silly self. So I'm in my craft room and I thought I would share this little gift from me to you and hopefully you will enjoy it. So there you go. The link's in the description box below. Go and grab it whilst you're there. Because, you don't get out for completely no in this world, as we say in Yorkshire. And in nice English, that means you don't get anything for nothing. Obviously, I'm asking you to go over, check out my Ko-fi, have a look what we're about, see what's over there. Click that follow button. I really would appreciate it. Because next year, I've got some plans. We're going to have awesome fun. We're going to have some amazing collections. We're going to have more new ways of making journals. We're going to have some mini albums, 8x off. Well, they might not be full mini albums. We're going to have more folios, more interactive items, as well as the journals. There's going to be loads coming, okay? Loads of tutorials, loads of beautiful digitals, so make sure you follow him. I hope you enjoy the rest of the holidays and a very, very happy new year to you all. And let's make 2026 fantastic. And yeah, carry on creating. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you very soon. Bye for now.